Hi guys, good morning everybody. So guys, I'm going to my children's school. I'm going to update their address. We moved to a new place in November 2025, and I just updated it. I just realized I haven't updated the address, so I went online and to update the address, and I got the notification that I need to bring in a proof to the school to show that we now live in the current address. So I'm on my way there, and also my toddler, which is 4 years old, he will be 5 in April. I'm also going to use the opportunity to talk about his registration here. Yeah, I'm going to your sister's school, Jemima's school. I told you I want to talk about your registration.
It's my friend's school, actually.
Your friend's school?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Your friend attends there, right?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm going to use the opportunity to talk about my son's and my toddler registration. I did registration online, so but I just want to follow. CJ Jedediah, I just want to follow up. CJ Jedediah. CJ Jedediah.
What's up, Jedediah?
What's up, Jedediah? So I'm just going to use the opportunity to ask about my 4 years old registration. Just want to hear how it's been done. I've done that online, but I just want to follow up. Since I'm in the school already, I'll just follow up and ask some questions. Okay, guys, almost there. Hi, good morning.
How are you?
Good. So I updated my kids' address online, and I got the notification saying I should bring a proof.
Okay, very good.
Yeah.
Okay, good. So let me just. Okay, can you finish his last name? Jemima and Jedediah.
Yeah.
Me? Mom, why is it me and Jedediah?
Jemima and Jedediah. Okay, and I also have a question, please. So I registered my toddler for the oh, she saw her friend. She saw for the kindergarten. Yeah. So yes, yeah, this year September.
Yes.
So is there any process apart from the online registration?
So you will hear from us when registration closes. So registration is open today.
Okay, thank you. You have a good day. Yeah, bye. Okay, thank you. Yeah, bye.
Mommy?
Yeah? Oh, Hector? Your best friend? Why is he here? Oh, Grandpa is here to pick you up, right? I think I saw Grandpa.
Yeah.
So guys, I'm going for my daughter's game. The game starts at 4:15 and this is 4:12, so the school is not far from home. So I'm just driving out. So they have a game tonight, and just going to support her. So guys, so we are almost there. I hope I get somewhere to park because it's usually fully packed when there's a game. Hopefully I get somewhere to park. Not that I won't get anywhere to park, but I want somewhere close by. You understand, right? So yeah, almost there. Just go to the school premises and So guys, I'm leaving. the game lasted for like I think an hour 15 minutes. Yeah, so we're done with the game and I'm heading home. Okay guys, I ordered this phone. So I just got this to support my content. Yeah, just to support. Oh, so this is a refurbished one. I didn't get a new one. This is refurbished. And see what I found. A little bit of scratch. I think it fell. So it's a refurbished one, and comes with a pen. So I'm just going to charge this.